What's up, DCB fam? I got my dog with me.
What's up, Max? You ready to go to work?
We got 4 more weeks till I go on vacation. Oh, thank God I can take a week off. You know, it's hard going on vacation when you're a business owner because you running a business. You know, I got a real good group of guys. You know, they hold it down when I'm going, but it's always something. It never fails. The week before I go on vacation, everything's going crazy. You know, people think, oh man, you run your own business, man. You do what you want to do. Shoot, no, you can't. It ain't like I work at the, you know, at the plant or something, or got a regular 9 to 5. I could just put in vacation time and I'm out of there. Nah, it don't work like that. It's high risk, high reward. You know, you put yourself out there every day. People come to my shop, they want to see me. Hey, what Dom is? Hey, what Dom doing? Hey. I need to talk to Dom. I got this problem. Got this, got that, you know. But I love it. Don't get it twisted. I love it. Every second of it. I love the good, the bad, ugly. I deal with some crazy customers. I deal with some good customers. Customers that I thank God for them because they've been supporting me for years. Like I was saying though, I got a 4-week countdown till going on vacation. I'm not gonna say where I'm going yet. I got some cool stuff I'm gonna show y'all while I'm on vacation. I'm just ready to go, man. The weather's been beautiful. Hailstorm come through. It's been 2 weeks now, and like work is just still pouring in. It's been a blessing. We was busy on top of that. That's one thing about business. When you busy, you nervous because you like, man, I got all this work. We gotta get out of here. It's gotta be perfect. Let's go. When you slow, you like, man, we gotta make some money. What a cause that? And then when you're in between, you like, man, we not busy, but we not slow. We making money, and I can kind of chill, but I'd rather be busy. It's weird, and you gotta take the good, bad, and the ugly. Running a collision center like I do is one of them things where every day is different. That's the thing that I love about what I do. My son has graduated high school. He's going to college, and my daughter is going to the 6th grade. Next school year is gonna be different. Son is gonna be in college. What you think about that, Max? I told Max that I'm waiting on him to start talking. He just looks like he's gonna say, I don't know, pizza or something. Max, what's gonna be your first word? Huh? Come on, you gonna talk on camera? You know if you talk, you're gonna scare the hell out of me. Why are you so serious? Max camera shy. I'm gonna make a video. It's gonna be Max Day. How that sound? I'm gonna show everybody how crazy you are and how you an anti-social dog. How that sound, Max? You like that? Stick your tongue out if it's cool. Okay, it's cool. I got something real special coming up for the Lambo. I ain't giving y'all a whole bunch of info because I'm gonna show y'all better than I can tell y'all. I've just been so busy, man. It's like, people don't understand. I'm not a full-time YouTuber. You know, I run a business. I got a family. I got problems. You know, a lot of these YouTubers, man, you get on their channels, you like, man, these dudes' life is just perfect. Like, they don't have no problems. They don't have no bills. They got a camera in their face all day. Man, life is great. You know what? I'm gonna start me a YouTube channel. That's what I'm gonna do. Wrong. Hey, all you dudes out there that's full-time YouTubers, y'all enjoy it. I ain't hating, believe me. One day I'm gonna be a full-time YouTuber, and it's just gonna be me and Max all day. I'm Max. Max, this YouTube channel stuff, man, it's fun. I enjoy it, vlogging and all that stuff. You know, I'm still getting the hang of it, but if I ain't have my boys at 6 Media taking care of everything for me, I wouldn't be doing this. I'd be going live on Facebook or something like that, or Instagram. And it's not that it's some work, it's just time consuming. You know, like right now, I can do a video driving to work. Once I get to work, I might have 5 people in front of the shop waiting on me. This camera gonna be chilling on my desk, because unless I strap it to my head or something, but that would look a little funny. But like I said, I got a bunch of videos we're doing with the vet. I got my Escalade, the infamous Escalade. I'm trying to do, you know, videos with all the cars. Even my wife's car, she has a 19 Audi Q8, and I want to do a video of that thing, because it's pretty cool. I'm still working on the car meet, and I ain't forgot about that. You know, I'm trying to do something big for the summer for my city, but it's like, yeah, I gotta film it, man. I keep getting sidetracked because I'm, you know, my business is taking everything out of me. Plus, I'm on my workout, get myself in good physical shape. So it's a lot, bro. It's you know what I need? I think I need a camera guy, man. Boy, it'd be cool if I just had a guy ride around with me all day and just record me. I mean, that'd be... Max, you know what we can do? We can strap the GoPro to your head and you can just follow me all day like you do. Huh? Guess not. Just walking in. Lights, camera, AC on. You got work to do, Max. Nat, you poo-pooing?
Yeah, bro.
First man here, first man on the toilet. All right, got all these cars in the shop. Wrecking them, just wrecking them. Bumper cars in Lake Charles, that's what I'm talking about. Bumper cars all day around here. That metal pile, I know y'all think I'm crazy. I'm hyped up on my metal pile, man. We gotta beat that number at 230. Something. Max, what you all happy for, huh? Or you done peed at? No, you done peed somewhere. All right, we're gonna get these doors open, get this party started. Let me get back with y'all. What's up, DCB fam? We are on a test drive. I'm just leaving the alignment shop. Driving pretty good. Alignment feels straight. I don't know what could be wrong. It's making a little noise on the right side. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Maybe got some mud in the calipers or something. All right, first of all, we ain't got no headlights on this truck. Oh, I see what's rubbing. Put that right there. All right. Now let's see if we can get back to the shop without getting pulled over. Looks like a cop back there. Let's go. I'm sure this truck looks stolen. Look like it's coming or going to a chop shop. Yeah, we're gonna go this way. I'm taking all the little back roads. There's the shop. We ain't got nowhere to park. We just had a hailstorm and all the work is pouring in.
Oh.
No bed, no problem. We got a lot of stuff going on. You getting it, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, you whipping it. Right, we got this thing back together. Looking good, bro. I ain't come out good. Out here cutting glass out. Is this a special windshield in this thing, or it's...
Yeah, it has the heads-up display, and it's got a rain sensor, and lane departure warning.
They got the whole nine in
Yeah,
it.
it's got all kinds of crap on it.
It's a handy little tool right there.
Oh, yeah.
We got all this work in, we gotta get it out. Tearing up, bro. You know when they say tear the roof off this mother? That's what we about to do. About to cut the roof off this Highlander. Man, we're gonna have a good week. Got a lot of work, once again. Look at that, phone ringing already. Stop playing about it. Just when you think you having a rough day, a boy walking with his cane and the wind is about to blow him down right here. It's hard out here for a pimp. See what we gonna do, see if we gonna make it. Boy, getting it, man, he getting it. Think he gonna make it, Max? Oh, he's struggling, man. That wind is blowing. Check his pants out. Like he twerking. It's like when that wind blowing like that, it's the best time to fart. Let the wind take it. Man, I'm about to help this dude cross the street. Yeah. Come on, you stand. You stand there. You making it. You making it. That wind blowing. It's about to blow me down. I'm about to go slow traffic down for him, but he made it though. Yeah, he about to be good after this car pass. Oh yeah, he good. That boy downshift. All right, man. What you tearing up, bro?
Man, that car ain't got no roof.
About to put a panoramic sunroof on this thing.
Man, drop top.
Drop top. Man, you making a mess, bro. Hi-yah! 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 See what's popping on this side of the shop. 2 men down today. Edgar's still on vacation. He'll say his tummy hurt. It's like everybody windshield out. We got this thing going back together. Got this thing that came in. Little love bug. You getting it, D?
Yeah, boy.
You in the same spot you was in 30 minutes ago. That boy slow as a turtle, man. Ooh, it's so pretty outside. Them boys got the Mopars out here. You see how they got them snugged in the corner? Oh no, oh no, no, no. What do we have here? Devin, what's going on, bro? What's going on, man? I think we confused, bro.
I want the power
Oh.
of a Mopar,
Uh-huh.
but I want the durability of a Chevy.
My man. Bro,
it's too
you know
cold
how
outside.
much the value your car is right now with that in that windshield, bro? This car probably booked out for about 40 grand. It's probably worth about 140,000
Yeah,
now.
oh yeah, definitely.
Whew. Sure feel good in here. What I hate about my job is pulling cars in when they hot. So y'all about to take a little ride with me. And we about to pull all these hot cars in. Man, it's hot. It smells good in here. That ain't too bad in this one because she just dropped it off. All right, we still got all the cars on side the shop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. Let's get the keys for each. Y'all ain't see that. Man. Oh man, come on, man. Man, y'all see what I gotta go through pulling cars in, bro? Like, look at all these keys, man. Oh my God, it's hot in this car. What the heck is that? It's hot today. Oh, look, we got a Tootsie Roll in here. Yeah. Man, I don't get paid enough to be doing all this. All right, I'm going back in the office. It's hot. I can't touch that. I'm gonna cook a steak on that. It's bad when it's hot in these cars and it's stinking. Ooh. Ooh. The windows rolled down, ain't doing nothing. All you people out there that don't have AC in their car, I feel so bad for y'all. Man, oh man, you gotta get hydrated. Y'all notice I got my truck running. So that way when I get in there, it's gonna be nice and cool. Look at that, Devin leaving my welder on, or I'm gonna take out his check. Got everything pulled in. Oh man, forgot my gym bag. Shrimp, see what happens when you're in that heat? It just gets you all disoriented. I gotta turn around, grab my bag. Uh-oh, here we go. Whew. All right. This in there with a drink left. Oh man. Try this again. Take 2. I'm going home. I don't do a lot of physical work, but mental work drain you. I don't care what somebody say. Especially you a business owner, man, it just drains. That's why I got my second brain right here. Brain number 2. If I didn't have that, in a bind. That's what goes on at the end of the day. It's Dom's pain body.